Today, we will move attention slowly through the body and notice what is here. You can do this practice lying comfortably in bed or sitting somewhere you feel supported. Let your arms rest naturally. Allow your legs to settle. Gently close your eyes. Take one slow breath in. And slowly breathe out. Let the next breath happen naturally. There is nothing you need to control. And there is nothing you need to achieve. For the next few minutes, we will move attention gradually through different parts of the body. You do not need to relax every area. You only need to notice it. Begin with your feet. Feel both feet exactly as they are. Notice the toes. Perhaps you feel warmth, coolness, pressure from the blanket, or almost nothing at all. You do not need to create a sensation. Simply notice what is already there. Now bring attention to the soles of the feet, then the heels. Notice whether there is any tension. If there is, you may let the muscles relax a little. If nothing changes, that is fine too. Move attention slowly upward into the ankles, then into the lower legs. Notice the calves, the shins, the weight of the legs resting beneath you. You may find that the mind starts thinking about tomorrow. Something you need to remember. Something you need to finish. When you notice this, there is no need to solve anything right now. Return to the body. Feel the legs resting. Now bring attention to the knees. Notice any pressure or warmth around them. Then move into the thighs. Feel their weight. Notice the contact with the bed, chair, or surface beneath you. There is no need to check whether you are relaxed enough. Just notice. Now bring awareness to the hips. Feel the weight of this part of the body being supported. If you notice that you are holding the muscles unnecessarily, see whether they can relax a little. Now move attention to the lower abdomen. Notice the natural movement created by breathing. Perhaps the belly rises slightly as you breathe in, and settles as you breathe out. There is no need to take a deep breath. Move attention upward toward the chest. Feel the movement of breathing there. You may also notice emotions here. Restlessness, heaviness, or perhaps ease. You do not need to understand everything. For now, simply feel the physical experience. Now notice the back of the body. Feel where the lower back meets the surface beneath you. Move awareness slowly upward, through the middle of the back, then toward the upper back. Notice how much of your weight is being held for you right now. You do not need to carry all of it yourself. Bring attention to the shoulders. This is one place where the day often stays with us. Perhaps they are already relaxed. Perhaps they are slightly raised or tight. Notice first. Then, if you can, let the shoulder muscles relax. Not forcefully. Just enough to stop holding what is no longer needed. Move down into the arms. Feel the upper arms, the elbows, the forearms. Then notice the hands, the palms, each finger. You may notice how different the hands feel when they are doing nothing. No typing. No holding a phone. No carrying anything. Just resting. Let them rest completely for a few moments. Now bring attention to the neck. Notice any tension around the sides or back of the neck. If you can relax some of those muscles, let that happen. If the tension remains, simply notice it. Move awareness to the jaw. Notice whether the teeth are touching. If they are, allow a little space between them. Let the jaw become easier. Now notice the cheeks, the area around the eyes, the forehead. You do not need to create a peaceful face. Simply allow these muscles to do less. Bring attention to the top of the head. And now, instead of focusing on one small area, sense the whole body together. Feet, legs, arms, face. The entire body resting here. Notice the difference between thinking about your body and actually feeling it. Your mind may still have thoughts. That is okay. Sleep does not require you to empty your mind. When you notice yourself following a thought about tomorrow, or replaying something from today, return to one simple sensation. The weight of your body, the feeling of the blanket, the movement of one breath. You do not need to finish everything before you sleep. Some things can wait until tomorrow. For the next few moments, let awareness rest on the whole body. Nothing to fix. Nothing to solve. Just the experience of lying or sitting here. If one area of the body still feels tense, let it be part of the practice. Notice the breath. Feel the body expand slightly. Then feel it settle again. Now allow attention to become less precise. You no longer need to scan. Let the whole body simply rest in awareness. If you are doing this practice in bed, You can remain exactly where you are when the guidance ends. There is no need to open your eyes. There is nowhere else you need to go. If you are practicing during the day, take one slightly deeper breath in. Feel the body beneath you. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. This was day 10. Today, you practiced a simple body scan by moving attention gradually through different parts of the body. Day 11, we will shift attention outward and practice mindfulness of sounds.